Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Kwon has been charged with violating the capital market action, according to a report by Bloomberg. Citing a text message from the Brokerages office, the report also said, adding that 5 other persons were included in the warrant. There is Australia tokens lost nearly 1 billion in fall within 2 hours in May after imploded, which caused other cryptos to take a hit with and also caused the bankruptcy of the 3 companies. I am alone. I'm responsible over any weakness that could have been presented for a short seller to start to take profit accounts, said in interview in August with the NTT series Chennai. He also said he was cooperating with artists and certified his commitment to Terra. In late May, Terra alleged the token Luna without the element that caused Terra's steep fall is the altcoin, but news of the arrest warrant has shocked the crypto market and caused the Luna token to slump more than 1% on Wednesday. Stablecoin claimed to be a relative safe and in the highly volatile crypto market, they are meant to be to avoid currency and usually maintain one peg with the US dollar. However, created by Terraform Labs was an alternative stablecoin, meaning that instead of having cash and other assets held in reserve to back its coin, it uses complex mix of code and Luna stores the process. You may also like and the result now charged with violating cryptocurrency, Terra's and its sister Luna tokens lost nearly 1 billion in fall within 3 hours in May after it imploded, which caused other cryptos to take a hit with and also caused the bankruptcy of 3 crypto companies. The latest entity to collapse was the Aral Capital, which left billions paying out to creditors. I alone am responsible for any weakness that could have been presented for a short seller to start to take profit. Now said in an interview, in also said he was cooperating with authorities and retention his commitment to Terra. In late May, Terra released the token Luna without the element that caused Terra's steep fall is stablecoin use, but news of the arrest warrant has shocked the crypto market and caused Luna token to slump more than in percent on Wednesday. Stablecoins claim to be a relativist safe have been the highly volatile crypto market. They are meant to be tied to a fiat currency and usually maintain a peg with the US dollar. However, use created by Terraform Labs was an algorithmically stablecoin, meaning that instead of having cash and other assets held in a reserve to back its token, it used a complex mix of code and Luna to stabilize the process. An arrest warrant for the now. The co-founder of the defense stablecoin is the Terraform Lab, which was responsible for monetizing their relief savings after investing in crypto has been used by a South Korean short. Now has been charged with violating the capital market action, according to a report by Bloomberg, citing a text message from the prosecutor office. The report also said, adding that 5 other persons were included in the warrant. Terra's use and its sister Luna tokens lost nearly billion in fall within 3 hours by after imploded, which caused other cryptos take a hit with and also caused the bankruptcy of 3 crypto companies. The latest entity to clear was Aral Capital, which left billion being out to creditors. I alone am responsible for any weakness that could have been presented for a short seller to start to take profit. Now said in an interview in August with the NTT series Connect, he also said he was cooperating with Alvarez and Causality in the late May. Token Luna without the element that caused Terra step. It's stablecoin, but news of the arrest warrant has shocked the crypto market and caused the Luna token to slump more than percent on Wednesday. Stablecoin claim to be a relative safe haven in the highly volatile crypto market. They are meant to be tied to a fiat currency and usually maintain one peg with the US dollar. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.